And we are in front of a new Dreamer in the actually you can have a lot of sitting places, and on top of it great amazing mattress for two. But we can check there is also another two sleeping places on the upper part, a slightly smaller kitchen from that side. We shall be going around, and well, that's it. So you have a small storage space under it, and then you have just one cook stove, a sink, and that, and I can't find the actual fridge, but it's probably right up here, so you have a space. But it's nice to have more actual producers of campervans doing that and getting in the game of the small city camp experience with the pop-up roof with the Dreamer 4x4. And this is actually spec'd just like that. City camp with the final price of 76,000 euros. But if we check from this side, this is made on the slightly longer variant and actually looks like a pretty wide opening, and the bed from the back, revealing that you have all the amenities like the Thetford cassette toilet where you can empty it from that, and also a small shower unit so you can take a shower, Eberspacher heating through my boiler. And from this side we shall be entering also to check. There is also a Vitifrigo fridge, about 40 liters, and you have also a great nice kitchen with a lot of storage space all around. And the hero is this actual pop-up down bed with the Froley system, so it should be pretty comfortable. On this side we have an additional cabinet for all your belongings, and closing that off we have also a pretty nice mirror. Well, the leather is packed away on that side, and when you fall down you can create another bed right up there. So yeah, pretty and complete when in the 540 variant.